Good evening, everyone. I am Tamala Moore from the Roseville cohort, and I want to share with you my reflections for the Transformational Leadership Self-Assessment. For this night, I will be sharing information from the Professional Disposition Self-Assessment, and coming from the Resident Leader, I want to share with you my results for the lottery, my noble purpose, my ideal life, and my passion. The one theme that seems to occur in all of the self-assessments is that I aspire to be a generous person. I do love giving to people, and I want to contribute to their lives to help them to see what their lives can become. I don't want people to limit themselves. I want them to always have hope that there is more for them. Even if they have a great life now, they can always look for something more. So with the lottery, I chose to be generous to my family, to my future descendants, and to ministries that have strengthened me as a woman, ministries who have helped me to grow my faith and maintain hope. My noble purpose, when I think back to my noble purpose assessment, I was talking about having a strength to aspire to be good to others, contribute to their lives, help them to see what possibilities could happen for them, and to keep it moving. Never stop when you are faced with a disappointment. For my ideal life, I said people would witness me laughing through every aspect of giving, laughing through every aspect of life, because laughter is one way or one thing I use to renew my heart, my soul, and my mind. Laughter is good for the soul. And for my passion, I just know that I have a passion to give. I love giving. If you had asked me 20 years ago what would my passion be, it would not have been giving, it would have been receiving. But now that I've lived some decades, giving is better to do than to receive. Okay, and for the professional disposition self-study, I said that I have a strength in being committed to the learning for all. I want to increase access, equity, and opportunities for students. And I connect with stakeholders, various partners, parents, educators, to make sure that children have the resources they need to be productive. I don't want any child to be disengaged from school or disconnected. I want everyone to feel like this is their community, they belong, and there are people who are out there who care about my success. So overall, the recurring theme in every reflection or self-assessment that I have completed, is that I am a giver. I contribute to individuals, and I look forward to the leader I will become. Thank you, everyone.